In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tonkeeper search features. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Tonkeeper app, then tap at the gear button, then scroll down a little, then you tap on search. So from here, you can change your search features. In Tonkeeper, you can use DuckDuckGo as search features, or probably you can use Google as search features. Now, once you pick any of these features and you are in browser, you can see this is a browser where you can input your address and search something using the Tonkeeper app. Whenever you use these features, whenever you use the search the web, it's going to use the search engine either for Google or